on, guys? We are in Atlanta for Slammedenuff Atlanta tomorrow, and right now we're at the car wash and we have some cars, and we have a lot of camber. That's a good question. Why is it so cold?
It's fucking crazy, man. I need a hoodie. I've got a whole trailer full of them. I didn't fucking put one on.
Wait, was that the dude? He was raffling the wheel.
RSX.
Wait, was he the one he did a raffle?
Yeah.
I saw it and I entered immediately because I wanted these. So Zach, tell me about this thing.
It started out as something that, you know, I wanted to do some crazy fitment on, and ended up with, you know, negative 24 degrees. It's a little wild. It's fun to drive.
It's a real Z though, right?
Yeah. Yep. It's a NISMO.
NISMO.
Yep, which hurts a lot of people's feelings.
It looks ridiculous when you're driving. It's like the craziest thing I've ever seen. What is like the weirdest thing that's ever happened? Somebody like seeing the car on the road.
I don't know. I just get a lot of people that, you know, video and, you know, wave when they're going by, thumbs up and stuff, you know. You know, it makes it all worth it, you know, the long hours in the shop. You know. Then you get people that hate it, you know. I mean, that serves its purpose. It's fun.
What is its purpose? Because you know somebody's going to ask them, like, what do you mean it serves its purpose?
I mean, I just, you know, hang out with friends and hard park, really. You know, people hate hard parkers, but, you know, it's fun to just park and it looks good laid out.
Exactly.
You know, I mean, you know, some people like going fast, some people like parking and looking good. Some people like doing both, and you can do both.
And you know, other people are going to reply to that and be like, oh, well, it doesn't even look good. No.
Well, that's subjective. I mean,
Right,
that's
exactly.
really subjective.
That's always why it's like the dumbest fucking argument.
Yeah, beauty's in the eye of the beholder. I mean,
exactly.
Yeah.
No, I love this thing. It's fucking wild. Like, it said minus 24 in the rear.
Negative 24 degrees.
Boy.
Oh God. What have we done to these cars?
Cops here just want to do whatever they want.
I probably could have gone.
You can.
Thanks, bud. Thanks, bud.
Where's Ben? We in Atlanta. We lit.
Where?
I don't know what the fuck this place is called. Iron Chef? Iron Age?
This dog's big fucking head.
Boy.
Steak, I think. I have no idea.
Cooking 101.
Alright, I got that one.
They lit as fuck right now. Who that? What up? Got the pre-meat or what's left of it. It's raining right now. What up?
Drag it! I'm telling him to drag his damn car.
I was gonna film the bottom. Disgusting. Hey! Whose fucking mans is this?
Gang, 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 gang. What's up, buddy?
What do you want to do?
We want to see burnouts and fights and lots of fights. We like seeing people get fighted.
That was 2 weeks ago.
That was definitely 2 weeks ago.
This is a much higher standard event.
Fun. We like
classier people.
That's how you gain a subscriber right there. You just gained a subscriber. 101 subscribers for Liam.
101 subscribers. Maybe.
Microwave popcorn. We love microwave popcorn.
Hello. About to be lit. Wish you guys were here.
We are here.
No, the people, your viewers.
I haven't seen you in like a month.
What are you offering me?
Alcohol!
I'm too drunk for this.
No, like not me, you. Like here.
Her?
No.
You?
Let me see that.
Him?
Let me see that.
Are you?
The lamp?
You gotta turn it around.
No.
Yes.
Fucking alky.
No big deal. Hey. Perfect.
Wake up, Mitchell! Mitchell!
Hey, Camber. I'm freezing.
Pineapple, bitch.
Martin, give me that. I'm not gay. I didn't suck no dick. That's some bullshit. He's BS. Liam's BS.
Good morning, it's the next day, and I'm not hungover, but are you hungover?
No, I didn't even drink last night. I'm disappointed in myself.
But yeah, this is the show. It's gonna be a good day. Let's go see some cars rolling in. Like half the venue is kind of full already, but let's go look at some cars.
It's like 40 and windy, so it's really fucking cold. This is Atlanta in the middle of April. We're going back inside, it's fucking cold.
So I look like the hibachi chef, and he's the guy that picked my rice for me.
How you feeling this morning, Eric?
Fucking hungover, man. I'm feeling all right. Not too bad. I could be worse.
I was fucked up. The problem is I don't remember anything from 12 o'clock on.
You got roofie, though.
I'm telling you, I got roofie.
I'd be lying if I said I wasn't excited by this. I'm really hyped on seeing this thing. Dude. Yeah.
Bam.
Alright, well, I've been here all day and I'm dying now, but I haven't really gotten that much content for the vlog, so I thought I'd probably walk around the show and show you my top 10. They're in no particular order, these are just my top 10 picks of the show, so let's go. So yeah, as I said, that was my top 10 of the show, in no particular order. I couldn't decide which was the best. Maybe that Black Monster, I do love that car. Super into VIP stuff, and that LS400, oh, it's me, soon. Yeah, that's about it. They're just wrapping up the show now, and then I have no idea what we're doing. Here's Mitch. What up? And yeah, we're gonna head out of here, probably go get some food. I'm dying, I'm tired as fuck. But yeah, it's been super cool to see everybody, good turnout. Maybe I'm gonna come back for Week Fest next weekend, debating it, because everybody tells me that all of the really, really top cars in Atlanta come out for that. So maybe we'll go to that.
God. Like, I really don't know what happened.
Wow. That all sounds
Look at my history paper.
Wow.
I've got like 1,000 more words to go.
Have you been doing this all day?
Yep.
Dang.
Boy, y'all aren't ready. Y'all aren't ready for what comes.
Okay, well, by the time this video comes out, you will have unveiled the new car, so you can pretty much just say, and if you haven't unveiled it, we'll just bleep it.
We won't believe it. We won't believe it.
I will bleep it. Oh.
The RS John. We'll call it the RS John.
Okay.
The all black RS John's coming out. It's pretty hard, in my opinion. I'm building it for myself, so I really don't give a shit what y'all think. So.
Hashtag RS John.
Hashtag RS John.
Oh,
what you win?
Oh, what you win?
We fuck. Oh.
I'm gonna say that's a wrap for the vlog and the show because everybody's packing up and we're just pretty much just gonna get some food. But it's been a good weekend, and I want to say a massive shout out to Battle Gang for having me out here to film some stuff and hang out. Please guys, go check them out on Instagram, go on the website, cop some clothes, and I'm gonna be back here next weekend for Weekfest or Weekfest, however you say it, and then after that we are doing Tuna Evo Daytona with Battle Gang. We have a house, we're gonna do a sweet fucking after movie, it's gonna be sick. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching guys, and we will see you again soon.